I started my journey as an engineer, then converted myself as a solution architect, then moved to pre-sales, then sales, then marketing. Always wanted to sell something, market something, because that's the ocean of opportunity where you can create brands. Yeah. And for communication skill, I would not say you need to be perfect, you need to be fluent and flamboyant in English or any language. The communication skills means how you can convince the person in front of you, how you can communicate what you want to communicate. Yeah.
Okay, so let's jump on to a self-improvement kind of thing. Okay, entrepreneurship is also, self-improvement is also a key part in entrepreneurship, building an entrepreneur or a businessman. So, what are the 5 self-improvement habits or things that you would advise to the people out there that will help them to make a better version of themselves?
Yes, the things what I do, I can tell those. I don't know whether it can be taken as an advice or not. So, the first and foremost thing I do is try to calm my mind. Now, different people have different ways of calming their mind. Few love to listen song to calm their mind, few love to read books, few love to do meditation. But the first thing is calm your mind.
Okay.
Second thing is be calculative. You have to be calculative whether things are going in the right direction or wrong direction. If it is going in the right or wrong direction, then what things you can do to make it right. So be calculative. Then have guts to take the risk. If you are into entrepreneurship journey, you have to take the risk.
Right.
Without risk, nothing can be done, because you never know. You are into an ocean. If you jumped into an ocean and you don't know swim, you are starting. So you have to try different things.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
So these are the things I think. So you have to take risk.
That's a really interesting point. Risk, people sometimes feel that, oh yeah, I'm too bad to do this. They have lack self-confidence. It happens, whenever they are making a big leap, like quitting their job or anything, getting out of a toxic relationship. So they are always afraid to, hurt someone else, or they are also, afraid to, they think like I would do something wrong. So how to structure your mind in that way?
Okay, so there are two things. One is toxic relationship, that is a complete different ball game together. And another thing is business. Business is all about risk, because if you are not doing the right thing on the right day, your business is not going to stand. So, and to do the right thing, I cannot wait for the associated necessities for that. If the right time is to invest today and I don't have money, I cannot wait when my money will come, then I will invest. I have to take a risk of taking loan and invest, because that is the right time to invest. So business is completely different thing. Toxic relationship, for me, I don't think any relationship is toxic, because the relationship become toxic when both the parties are rigid. Because between you and I, if we have a toxic relationship, that doesn't mean that you are faulty or I am faulty, or you are wrong, I am wrong. We both have done some mistakes in our relationship, in our friendship, in our relationship, whatever. Because toxic relationship can be with friends, can be with girlfriend, can be with family, relatives, anybody. So both have done something wrong. Now you have to correct your part and wait.
Okay, yeah.
So unless you correct your part and wait, you do not know whether the relationship will again come back or it will still be toxic. If it is still be toxic, then talk to the other person, find out a amicable way of either move out from the relationship, or find out a way to release those toxins. So I started my journey with 1800 rupees and went till 29 lakhs in 2019, from 2004 to 2019, that 15 years. So honestly speaking, my first job was like, I will talk in Bengali first and then translate into English. I used to go to different people in different offices and used to tell, দাদা একটু পাটা সরাবেন, কম্পিউটারটা পরিষ্কার করব। Means, sir, can you please move your leg? I will clean up the computer. So I started my journey like that. And when I had my friends who got 3,500 rupees, 4,500 rupees job, and they used to tell, hey, for 4,000 rupees I will go for office, I will not do. So, but I am fortunate that I took that 1,800 rupees job, which taught me a lot to reach this.
Right. This is a really interesting journey. So the thing is that lot of people are knowing entrepreneurship because of too much social media awareness and all things. The entrepreneurship things was not there earlier. So you manage so many YouTube channels. So what advice you would give to our viewers about YouTubes and all? How to manage YouTube, or how to get into YouTube?
Getting into YouTube is follow your passion. Whatever equipment you have a smartphone, correct? Nowadays for online studies of kids, everybody have a smartphone. After this pandemic.
Yeah.
So you have a smartphone, or if you don't have a smartphone, invest in a smartphone. There are low price good smartphone from different brands where you will get in 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 rupees. So use your phone for your earning. So you can do that. Just grab a phone, do whatever you want to do, and post it in YouTube. If people like that thing, they will be your promoter.
Yeah, right.
They will create your brand awareness to others. So you have to go by your viewers.
Right.
That is one thing. And I do have a design course for complete consultancy kind of thing, which is going to be launched in our website very soon. Once it is launched, you guys can access that. There will be a one-to-one consultancy given. Obviously there will be a remuneration for that, but we can help in the journey.
Yeah. So all the new YouTubers or who want to get into YouTube, I will give a link in the description. Mithunda can help you. I will give a link in the description. You can check that out.
And if you are already an influencer, send your profile, register on our website, and we will get you brand deals for sure.
Yeah. I will. The website is
zoomedinpixel.com.
Yeah.
And we are budding, but we have already worked with 6 clients and they are satisfied with our work. And I believe if you guys are the real influencers, if you guys come up, we can give even more better project to our brands, and so that they can give us more projects.
It's an influencer marketing agency, right?
Correct. We work for both brands and influencers and make a good deal for both of them.
Okay, that's really. So you guys heard Mithunda. So if you are a budding influencer or want to get into social media kind of things, and if you have a good subscriber base, then you can directly sign up for the Zoomed In Pixel influencer, And if you want consultancy, then you can also Mithunda can help you out. So Mithunda, it's really pleasure to have you on this interview. We learned so much from you.
I also learned. I also realized that I spoke a lot.
Yeah.
I spoke a lot. Generally, interview is not this much, but yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. So guys, we are signing off right now. So please check Mithunda's company. I will give a link in the description, and I will also love to have you back again.
Yeah, I was about to tell you that since he is also a budding influencer on the interview and self improvement niche of the YouTube. Since he is also a budding influencer, once you are fully flourished and nourished, I don't know whether you will call small guys like us. So do call us then as well.
Yeah.
And guys, if you have liked our interview, like this video, share this video and subscribe to his channel.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye.
Thanks. Bye guys.